Get excited about the 2010 Chevrolet Cobalt. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.2-liter four-cylinder engine. Chevrolet paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.